To address the error code E019-0002 on a Canon machine, it is essential to understand what this code signifies. The error code indicates a malfunction in the waste or toner full detection system. Several factors can contribute to this issue, including the detection of waste toner for an extended period while the main motor is operational, a waste toner container that is at capacity, a faulty or dirty waste or toner full sensor, or damage to the DC controller PCB. To resolve the error, the machine should be inspected, and the DC controller PCB should be checked for proper function. If the PCB is damaged, replacement is necessary. The sensor should also be examined to ensure it is functioning correctly, and replacement may be required if it is faulty. Additionally, the wasted toner container and drum unit should be checked. This can be done by switching off the machine, opening the front door, and carefully removing the drum unit. A lint-free cloth can be used to clean the drum unit's interior and exterior. If the wasted toner container is full, replacement of the drum unit may be necessary. By following these steps, the error code E019-0002 can be effectively addressed.